So I'm plugging my black meter lead into the common, and I'm plugging my red meter lead into the voltage input. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn my meter on to voltage AC. So this has a V sign for voltage, a little squiggly line that means alternating current, and something that says 60 hertz. For all of our tests that we do for voltage, that's the only setting you have to use. Because this is an auto ranging meter, it'll figure it out if you're anywhere from a fraction of a volt up to as many volts as it will do, which I think is somewhere around 1,000 volts. I take my two leads. Now, because this is an alternating current system, we don't care where the black or where the red goes. So I'm going to go ahead right now and plug the black and red into my two outputs. You can see I'm showing 115 volts, exactly right. Just to review, the taller slot on the left here is your neutral, and the shorter slot on the right is your hot. So now I'm also going to measure from the hot over to the ground. And it should read around full voltage. In this case, it's reading, you can see 116 volts, which is exactly where it should be. If I then go from my ground over to my neutral, it should be very close to 0 volts. Here it's sitting at 1.5 volts. If you'll notice in the no shock zone meter reading article, anywhere below 2 to 3 volts is fine. So this is a little bit high, but we're drawing a lot of current in this room. So again, from hot to neutral should be around 120 volts. We're sitting at 115. From hot to ground should be very close to full voltage, which is sitting at 116 volts. And from ground to neutral should be very close to 0 volts, within a couple of volts. And you can see we're sitting right at 1.5 volts. And that's it.